All right, today we're doing something quick and easy. This is a retention attachment for NVG device and a helmet that allows you to Velcro the pad to the helmet and then put this shock cord through it, and allows you to attach the shock cord to the NVG device to your helmet and then wrap around to the back of the helmet. I looked around what's out there, and there are some good options, but I didn't see ones that also had the hook Velcro on top. So once this is all assembled, you put this on your helmet, and then this allows you to attach things on top of it still, and that kind of helps secure it a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get this attached. All right, came out pretty decent. All right, let's get the shock cord through there. I only had black. I ordered some coyote brown, but it's not here yet, and I wanted to get this video out, so we're just gonna use black. And then got this coyote brown shock cord retention holder. Sweet, let's get it on the helmet. Okay, we started with the shock cord going through this loop here on the device itself. This is the most annoying part, so I didn't want to show that. It was a struggle, but once you get the shock cord going through both of those, we're going to put that on the helmet. But this is for retention for the device itself, in case the device ever falls off the mount, you know, the breakaway or the quick disconnect, any of that fails, you're not going to lose the device. It's going to stay on the helmet. Okay, this is where the piece that we built comes into play. We grabbed the two shock cord ends, just feed them through. Okay, so they're gonna go through that side. And I mean, you're gonna want to figure out the tension, obviously, but then that can Velcro on there. You can put things over it, you know, you can put another patch over it, anything like that, but this isn't really what's holding it in place. This is just kind of guiding the shock cord, right? What's actually going to hold it in place is wrapping it around something in the back. So you want to feed those there. Okay, well, we got the rear of the helmet here. This right here is the cord. Sorry, this right here is the cord. And I have this clip that I can get it under. That will provide a secure lock. As you can see, it's kind of holding this battery pack as well. It's kind of help keep that in place. I need to make a pouch for this battery pack. My homie just 3D printed it for me, so working on that'll be a future video. It's a pouch for that. It'll be pretty cool. But yeah, just kind of, you know, how it looks overall. It sticks on there pretty good. Really have to pull it off. Like I said, what's holding it is, you know, what's in the back here. And as you can see, it goes up and out of the way. It's not getting in your line of sight or anything like that.